Welcome to SolidCAD tutorial. In this video we will practice some sketch. So let's see which sketching exercise we will practice in this video. We will practice this sketch and this sketch in this exercise. So let's go to the Solidworks software. Now we are in the Solidworks. Let's start the exercise. So first we will start a new part. Select the part, click on OK, and our new part is started. And we will click on this front plane, click on this sketch, and now we are in the sketch environment. So here we'll click on this center rectangle command, then select this center rectangle from these options, then make sure we are on the from midpoints type center rectangle. We create one center rectangle at origins of random size like this. Then we'll press the escape to exit out of this command. Then start the circle command. Then create one circle here and one circle at origin. And escape to end the command. Then we'll click on the smart dimensions and we'll give the dimension to this rectangle. This side we will give 150 and this will 100, and this circle will give 40 and this circle will give 15, and then we'll select this circle and click on this center line and give this dimension 60. Click on this circle and click on this line and give this dimension 35. Now our sketch is fully defined. All the entities turned into black, but our sketch is not completed. So we'll escape out the dimension command. Now we'll go to the mirror command. Click on this mirror entities. Here we will see the entities to mirror. We need to select the entities which we want to mirror. So we'll select this circle. Then we will select the mirror about entities. So we'll select this center line. So you can see the preview over here. Then we'll click OK. And our mirror is created on the other side. Now we will press the Ctrl and select this circle and this center line. And then click on this mirror entities and it will quickly create the mirror on the other side. So this way we can create the mirror very quickly. Now we will use this sketch fillet. So we'll start the sketch fillet command. We'll enter the value of the fillet. We will enter the 15 here. Then we'll click on this line and on this line and click here yes, and it will create one radius. You can see the preview here. Then we will click on this point and it will create the fillet here. Click on this point, click on this point, and our 4 fillet is created. Then we will exit out this fillet, click on the OK, and our fillet is created. So our first sketch is complete. Now let's create the second sketch. So we'll create the new part. So click on the new and click on this part and click on OK. Now we are in the new part. This time we will click on this top plane and click on the sketch to enter into the sketching environment. Now we will click on this polygon command. Set the 6 in the parameter box is the side of the polygon. Set this 6 and create one polygon at the center like this, and escape to exit the command. Start the circle command. Create one circle like this and another circle like this at origin. Then select this one side of the polygon and make this horizontal. Then we will start the smart dimension command and give this circle dimensions of 50, and this circle is 45, and we'll give this dimension between this 2 point 25, and then we'll escape out the smart dimension command. Then we will choose the line command and create one line from the origin to this circle. Escape, start the line command again, draw one line from here to this circle. Escape to exit out of the line command. Select this line, and now we will click on this construction geometry to convert this line as a center line. So this line now converted into center line. Then we will select this line and this center line and click on this mirror entities, and our line is mirrored. Then we will start the circle command and create one circle at this point and create the circle like this. Then we will start the trim command from here. Our trim command is started, and select the power trim options here. So in the trim command we have different options like corner, trim away inside, trim away outside, trim to closets. So this time we will use the power trim. So make sure you click on this power trim. So our power trim is started. Then we will left click and drag our cursor to trim this entity like this. We can trim. We can drag our cursor to trim it. We trim the extra entities. So you can see our extra entities is trimmed. We will escape out the trim command. Then we'll start the smart dimensions and give the dimension between these two lines 2.5, and the radius to this circle is 6, and our circle is now fully defined. Now we will select this circle, this line, and this arc, and this center line, and here we will go to the linear sketch pattern and click on this small arrow and choose the circular sketch pattern and click on this. And here you can see we are going to rotate the sketch around this point. This point is the origin, and here we will rotate it around 360 degree, and we need 6 numbers. So we'll make 6 here and then press OK, and you can see our 6 entities is now created. Now we need to trim out the extra lines and arcs. So we'll start the trim command, and you can use this trim to closets. Click on this, and you can click on any entities like this, and it will trim the selected entities only. So like this way you can trim, but I will choose this power trim and trim this, trim this one, trim this one, and this one. So our sketch is completed. So this is the sketching exercise. In this exercise you learn the lots of commands, and if you want to turn off the sketch relations, you can go to this eye icon and untick this view sketch relations, and our relations is hidden. Now you can see the sketch clearly, and this sketch is fully defined. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next sketching exercise video.